Hi, I'm Josh Ibarra, and this is my Module 1 intro video for AEP 859. I apologize if I look a little ragged. It's been a long week, and we just had a work day for football, and so I am a little beat. Um, so anyway, as far as interesting things about myself, um, I love to hike. I love to camp. I love being in the mountains, fishing, hunting, all those types of things. I'm very outdoorsy. Um, I graduated from Kansas State University, even though I grew up a KU fan. So it made for some awkward moments during football or KU and K-State basketball and football games. But nonetheless, I had a lot of fun, and K-State was a great experience for me. My professional life, I teach high school American history as well as high school PE here at Medicine Lodge Junior Senior High School in South Central Kansas. I also am the head high school football coach and the head high school boys basketball coach. So I stay pretty busy throughout the year, and whether that be during the school year or during the summer. Short term, long term goals. Short term, trying to figure out a lot of the new stuff coming down the pipe. We are an Apollo school as far as redesign. That's new to us this year, and so we're jumping into that. We also have the social emotional stuff, social emotional learning stuff, and the college career readiness stuff that we've been working on for last year and this year especially, but so we're all trying to figure that stuff out. And I'm also, I jumped to kind of a project-based learning format in my classroom a year ago, and I'm still in the progress of trying to perfect that as best I can. Long term, I still haven't decided if administration is exactly what I want to do. Maybe down the road, but definitely want to move into maybe some more leadership positions as time progresses. As far as what I hope to learn from this course, curriculum is something that can be kind of a bear at times, and especially when you're going through all these changes with the state and redesign. And I would just like to know how to make those transitions smoother and easier. And I'd be curious to know what a lot of other schools are doing and what a lot of you guys are doing. So I always love the conversation aspect of it, and the interaction between classmates. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to this class. So thank you.